2025 Yamaha YZF-R7, a new generation supersport motorcycle. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7 is a remarkable addition to Yamaha's R-Series lineup, blending iconic styling with advanced engineering. This new generation supersport motorcycle is designed to provide exceptional performance on both the track and the street. Positioned between the entry-level YZF-R3 and the premium YZF-R1, the R7 encapsulates Yamaha's racing heritage and commitment to innovation. Performance features. At the heart of the YZF-R7 is its 689 cubic centimeters CP2 engine, a liquid-cooled, inline two-cylinder DOHC powerplant that delivers impressive power and torque. The engine features a 270-degree crankshaft, which ensures a linear power delivery, providing exhilarating acceleration with minimal vibration. The assist and slipper clutch enhances the riding experience by reducing clutch lever force, enabling smoother downshifts and a more controlled feel during engine braking. For those seeking an even sportier experience, an optional quick shift system, QSS, is available, allowing for fast and seamless upshifts. Chassis and suspension. The YZF-R7 boasts a lightweight and rigid chassis, contributing to its agile handling characteristics. Weighing in at 414 pounds, wet weight, and featuring a seat height of 32.9 inches, the bike is accessible for a wide range of riders. Its slim proportions allow for confident cornering on the track and quick direction changes on winding roads. The motorcycle features an inverted 41mm front fork that is fully adjustable for compression, rebound, and preload settings, providing excellent front-end feel during cornering and braking. The monocross rear shock is linked and offers adjustable spring preload and rebound damping, striking an ideal balance between ride comfort and sport performance. This versatility allows the R7 to excel in various riding scenarios, from urban commuting to spirited track days. Aerodynamics and design. Yamaha has designed the R7 with optimal aerodynamics in mind. The bike incorporates a sleek bodywork that minimizes wind resistance and maximizes airflow around the rider, enhancing stability at high speeds. The aggressive styling, including the signature M-shaped duct and tail wing, pays homage to Yamaha's flagship YZF-R1 while ensuring the R7 stands out in its class. The high-contrast LCD instrument display offers essential vehicle data, allowing riders to keep track of performance metrics easily. Additionally, the adaptive LED lighting system improves visibility and longevity, enhancing safety during night rides. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7 is competitively priced at $9,199 in the United States, with Canadian pricing set at $12,299 CDN. European pricing details are available upon inquiry. These prices do not include taxes, title, preparation, or destination charges, which may vary by dealer. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7 combines performance, comfort, and style in a package that caters to both novice and experienced riders. Its powerful engine, advanced suspension, and aerodynamic design make it a top contender in the supersport category. Whether you are looking for a bike to take to the track or a thrilling ride through winding roads, the R7 promises to deliver an exhilarating experience that remains true to Yamaha's storied legacy in motorsports.